Hi, I'm Sasha Segan with PCMag.com, and this is what's new now. It turns out that Uber is even sleazier than you thought they were. At dinner Friday night, Uber exec Emil Michael proposed spending $1 million to hire 8 people to secretly dig into the personal lives and families of journalists that might oppose them. He later frantically backpedaled, saying he didn't mean what he actually said, and apologizing personally to one of the journalists involved. This comes after CNN said that Uber employees ordered and then canceled thousands of rides from competitor Lyft, which Uber denies, and The Verge revealed an Uber operation to recruit Lyft drivers by requesting rides under false pretenses. Uber's CEO also pretty much sounds like a douche every time he opens his mouth. Uber's level of antisocial, dirty trick and hubris is rising to the point where it's really going to test if the public behavior of a company's executives can have any actual effect on its business. It'll be interesting to see if this lifts Lyft, Uber's much less controversial competitor. For more on this, check out PCMag.com. I'm Sasha Segan, and that's what's new now.